It looks like something straight out of a Hollywood movie. But this is not a movie set, it's real-life Antarctica's blood falls. This is discovered by scientist Thomas Griffith in 1911. For decades, scientists were baffled by the continuously red water that didn't freeze even at -17 degrees Celsius. Finally, in 2017, the mystery was solved. The water from the glacier contains a high concentration of iron and is trapped in a lake inside the glacier for over 5 million years. As it escapes, it comes into contact with oxygen in the air, resulting in iron oxide, which gives the water its red color. But there's more. Microbes present in the water have adapted to the high salinity and low oxygen levels in the water and are capable of metabolizing iron, which creates the red color.